Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the latest release of Apache Kafka, version 4.0, which has made a significant change by removing the need for zookeeper. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with what Kafka is. Kafka is a real-time event streaming platform. If you're not familiar with what real-time events are, let me explain using an example. Most of you probably know the WhatsApp app, right? Let's say you send a message to a friend on WhatsApp. What you notice is that your message is delivered instantly. You see double check marks when the message is received and they turn blue when it's read. This is a perfect example of real-time events. Now that we have a general understanding of Kafka, let's discuss why we use it. Simply put, Kafka is designed to handle large-scale, real-time data streams. Let me explain with an example. Think of Uber. When you book a ride, it quickly finds the nearest drivers, even when thousands of people are booking rides simultaneously. So how does Kafka handle this? While you're booking your ride, Kafka streams your location data to Uber's system. It processes thousands of requests in real time, matching drivers within seconds. If a driver cancels, Kafka seamlessly finds another driver without delay. Now that we've covered what Kafka is and why we use it, you might be wondering who actually uses Kafka, right? Well, some of the biggest companies like Netflix, Uber, X, and LinkedIn all use Kafka for their real-time streaming needs. Great! Now that we have a clearer understanding of what Kafka is, why we use it, and who commonly uses it, in our next video, we'll dive deep into the architecture of Kafka without Zookeeper. Stay tuned!